After Ohio's COVID-19 cases plateaued for weeks, state health officials say it appears we may be seeing a downward trend. Unfortunately, the number of daily vaccinations in the state is also dropping. Only about 40% of Ohio's population has received at least one dose.
But still, the state's changing rules right now so that those who are fully vaccinated no longer have to quarantine if they are exposed to the virus. News 5's Emily Hamilton has more now on what this means for you, your family, and your workplace.
As more Ohioans reach fully vaccinated status,
we've been looking at their ability, if you will, to spread the virus, and it's not very vigorous.
Restrictions are loosening here in the Buckeye State.
Ohioans, beginning today, who have been fully vaccinated, no longer will have to quarantine if they are exposed to someone who has COVID.
Dr. Amy Edwards of University Hospital says the latest announcement from the governor Tuesday is a positive step in the right direction.
People who are vaccinated can theoretically spread the virus, but it doesn't appear very easy based on that data. There's essentially no point in quarantining them.
DeWine spoke about the importance of vaccinated students being allowed to continue face-to-face learning, even if exposed.
One of the things that's been very tough for them this past year is that if they were exposed outside the classroom to someone, they had to quarantine.
In the same vein, Edwards says the decision will also keep workplaces running more efficiently.
You no longer have to take 10 days off work or 10 days to work from home or 10 days of mixed or whatever. You can continue to go to work.
There are, however, exceptions to the latest health advisory.
Nursing homes and long-term care facilities should continue to quarantine following CDC guidelines.
Edwards says as Ohioans continue to receive shots in the arm, these exemptions could eventually apply to unvaccinated people.
If you look at Israel, they're at over 50% of their population is vaccinated, and their COVID rates have dropped so low, they're starting to lift mask mandates for everybody, regardless of vaccine status. This is the kind of future we're looking at, as more and more people get vaccinated.
Reporting in Cleveland, Emily Hamilton, News 5.
Now, the CDC also shifted guidance for those who are vaccinated, saying it's okay to walk, run, bike, gather outdoors in small groups without a mask. But vaccinated people should still wear a face covering if they're in a crowded area like a stadium or a concert.